Hello students, today I am going to teach you regular language and finite automata. So first of all we need to understand what is a machine. A machine to transform information without any involvement of human. These days we are living in an era of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence means we are with the help of Google voice call we are asking for whether what will be the recipe of matar paneer, what will be the procedure to do anything. So automation is basically transformation of information without directly part involvement of a human, and it is of two type, a finite automata and non-finite automata. Finite automata is further classified into deterministic and non-deterministic. It is used to recognize a formal language. Characteristics of finite automata. The characteristics of models of finite automatas are: first, input. I1, I2, In are the input values from the input alphabet which we use to give. Second one is output. Output means O1, O2, On are the different output of the model. Third one is the states. At any instance of time, the finite automata will be in one of the state Q1, Q2, Q3, Qn. I will be telling you about how to transform the state from one state to another state, how to transform, what is the use of epsilon here, and what will be the state of what will be the role of states, different state, how to cut from one state to another state. Now state relation. At any instance of time, the next state of information is determined by the present input and the present state. And the output relation means after making the problem, what will be the output relation, means what will be our answer when we will convert one state to another state. So these are the some characteristics of finite automata, and we will be studying about deterministic and non-deterministic automata in detail also. Thank you.